Okay, so welcome back. In the last tutorial, we managed to create all our tube parts with tube end, the tube, and we created our tube sub-assembly. In this tutorial, we're going to create the laminate, the curvy bit that goes onto the front. So we need to create a new part studio, and that's going to appear here. I'm going to right-click and call this a laminate, so L-A-M, laminate. And we're going to create a sketch on the front plane. I'm going to look at it from the front and I'm going to draw a line anywhere along there, but as long as it's completely vertical. And I'm going to change the dimensions to 70 millimeters. I'm then going to draw another line from the end point of the line we've just created out to the right, and this is going to be 3 millimeters. Change that to 3 and go up by 70 again. That went to 7, so we're just going to delete that. Let it delete it and just go back again, draw a line from there, change the value to 70, and I'm going to escape to confirm that. Right, we need a curvy bit now. It's a little bit more challenging, so I'm going to draw a line from here, and this line we'll get rid of in a minute, but it's just going to be a guide. And I'm going to change this size to 130, so the laminate is about 100. There's about 200 millimeters in total, and I'm going to go escape to confirm that. We're just using this as a guide for the time being, and we're going to use the 3-point arc tool. So I'm going to zoom in, and the first point of the arc is going to be the end point here. And the second point is I'm going to just ghost the line along there and just select a point on that point there that's 130 millimeters above it. And that will then allow me to be a little bit flexible about what I want to do with the curve. So I'm just going to, you can have your own sort of artistic license here, but I'm just going to, want a fairly shallow curve on that. And that's fine. And I'm going to delete that line there. And what I want to do now is copy that. So I'm going to select it, and we're going to use the offset tool, which is up here. So I'm going to click the offset tool, and the dimension of the offset, it wants to go out the wrong direction. So I'm just going to click the arrow, and it will reverse it to the other direction. And I want to return, and my offset wants to be 3 millimeters because my laminate is 3 millimeters. So I'm going to click 3 return there, and then I need to fill the top in so it then becomes a solid. So I'm going to draw a line from the end point there to the end point there. And if you notice, it's gone grey now, so we know that we can extrude that. So I'm going to click for an isometric view. I'm going to confirm my sketch, and I'm going to extrude my laminate through 70 millimeters. Just change the value to 70 and click the confirm button. And you'll notice we have a laminate now. So have a go at that. Good luck, and I hope you get on well.